All right, good day everyone. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of this Monaco Windsor. A good friend of mine that actually works for a company called Dirtworks that actually builds the supercross, motocross tracks, and they build the tracks or the layouts for the monster trucks. But we're doing a floor job for him. As you can see, we've got the step well all torn apart. Now you'll find this oriented strand board in a lot of the Monaco products with a mixed blend of plywood. There was a piece of plywood that we actually had to put in here that was a higher grade because the low grade was flexing. And then I've actually had to come along and put this 3/4 by 3/4 angle iron on there and fasten it to bridge it to get that much more stable for that floating floor. Now we're going to do the sides of this in some coin mat, the bottoms in coin mat, and redo this here in coin mat. A little carpet here so you can toss keys and miscellaneous, won't slide around. So here we are, beautiful new floor job, just getting ready to get it wrapped up here. Put some protectant over it while we do the last of the jobs that are in this coach, but I wanted to give you a quick tour. Got that trim in here just like my coach, with that oak with the route out, and then stained it a very similar cherry color as this. I've come around, done all that. Now I've got the heat registers out of there because I'm going to move those up and be able to get them above that. Now we did have some mice that had gotten into the bays. This coach has a huge seal void behind the plumbing bay that we're going to fill with some steel wool and some spray foam. But we have replaced the heating ducts. It does look like they didn't get in there, but we were being proactive. Customer had asked that to be done, so that's why that's all kind of torn apart right there. As you can see, we've come around, trimmed all this. Now here's a crazy one. Pulled the carpet off of here, and it's like I found a boat. The live well in a boat or something. Now what this is this is all fiberglass. And they actually glued the carpet to it. So we're going to have a piece of wood that we're going to have to secure across there to be able to staple the new carpet to. Then we're going to do that down here at the base. That will fill this void and go over the top of the floor. So it'll do the same as that trim does there. And then we're going to recarpet that here with the new style carpet. I'll show you an image of that carpet in here during the middle of it. And then we're going to do the ends of these slide rooms. We've got this small spot here that was factory carpeted that we're going to do. But one thing I want to talk about is the differences between different products while we're hearing this. Now we're in a Monaco Windsor, built in more than likely Indiana. The floor was not very level. And then the base that Monaco uses to secure their tile is extremely durable. It takes probably 3 times as much time to get a Monaco tile floor out than it does a country coach tile floor. Now that doesn't mean that the country coach floors aren't good. It's just the mortar they use chips up easier. Plus they used a really high quality plywood floor that they vacuum tabled on instead of that oriented strand board. So it pops off and works a lot better. We'll take you into the toilet room because there is one last spot that we still need to do in here that was missed. The old toilet room here. But here's that white product that they use to secure their tile. It's much more challenging to get off. As you can see, we've got some of it here where we didn't have to grind it as far back to get this flooring down. Here's an old piece of the tile that we don't have to worry about getting up. But yeah, we still got to do this around this pedestal. And I asked myself, why did they put the toilet on a pedestal? Because the heater ducts go under there also. So that's kind of an odd design brought to you by Monaco. But a little toilet room here. Just the flapper toilet, not the turd grinder or anything. But that kind of sums that up. We've got, of course, that trim all around the bases of these. Now some of these spots here are going to end up with some caulk instead because the way the walls landed and we're floating over the top of it. We'll get that carpet in this slide room. We're coming up with a new design for the fascia trim around this galley area. Back here in the back, it has a material that's in there that matches these rear window boxes around the edges. we're gonna do something a little different up here in the front. But just a quick walkthrough. Wanted to show you the floor job here on this beautiful Monaco Windsor 2002. Now I'm getting ready to do TV upgrades. So we're gonna do a much larger TV there. Pretty sure we're taking out that backup monitor. We're gonna put a larger double DIN radio there instead of the single DIN, and then incorporate the backup camera into it. And then back here in the bedroom, we're gonna be also doing a new TV back here. And that's the old thing. It was kind of shoved in back here behind all that stuff. But quick little rundown. Wanted to show you a quick video of what I've got going here at Coach Solutions-RV.com or brianmoto773@gmail. I'm trying to keep up with all the emails and everyone that's replied to me or hit me up in a question. Some things, I had a problem the other day where I had to go through the junk mail and actually find some emails that people reached out to me also. Apologize for that, but that's just part of the Gmail system. But I hope everybody's enjoying these videos. I want to show you this Monaco that I've got in the shop right now. Trying to get this one hustled out. Still looking for a big warehouse to be able to park at least 5 coaches in and be able to get some more work done on those. But I want to thank everybody that's subscribed, and I want to thank everybody that's taking the time to reach out to me, taking the time to hit that like button, and then throwing those comments in. But till next time, everybody, I hope you're all having a great day and enjoying yourselves. But peace out here from the old Monaco Windsor floor job at Coach Solutions. Till next time, everyone, have a great day. Bye-bye.